push, twist, pop right out. Deep, shallow. I got these LEDs off Amazon. I'll drop the link in below. There it is. Not quite smoke. Alright, deep ones up top. Again, I'll drop the link for these down below. If you want a real comparison between them, it's a smoke, that's a stock one. And just so you get a preview, still red, much brighter. Should have done it before. Much brighter. As you can see, the LEDs are much brighter than the stock halogen, but that's getting replaced next. And if I wanted to amber, we got a little bit of an overload there, but I'm not worried about it. Alright, so we've already replaced the LEDs in here with the smoke lenses, but I'm going to do the turn signal relocation kit. So I'm going to drop these down the lower part of the forks, and to do that I'm going to first drop here, and I'm going to have to actually undo this so I can feed that light bulb through. Easy. Using a quarter. I just dropped that so I don't hit the light bulb with the Allen wrench. Just safety measures, just always cover my tank. I learned with the other one the hard way a couple times. Not actually the tank, but the front fender. Especially when I was working with the headlight on the first bike. I dropped a little screw, and it's literally one screw, and you're thinking, oh, I won't drop a screwdriver, and sure enough, you drop it and scratch your fender. So just take the precautions so you don't have to feel like a jackass for scratching your bike. And you just pull that out right there, drop it, and push this back in. There it is. It looks like I'm gonna have to move this one so I can get the brake line out of the way. It's just a T25 on, should do it. Yep. Alright, so I got the brake line off the fork and just kind of feed the turn signal through. Good. I'm just gonna put that down right there. And I use Loctite on everything on these things just because it's one of the better safe than sorry. Get no hand tightened. I don't think I'm going to splice or cut any of these wires. I think I'm just going to do a better job tucking them in eventually when I do the tank lift. But once I got those down, I'll probably bring this back up. But I'll wait and see, because this is going to go here. I'll feed it through that back side. Now working with a T45, we'll go ahead and undo this bolt. And compare this to the new ones. Quite a difference. Go ahead and take this out. Make sure you got the right housing kit going on the right side. So what we're going to do is drop that in there. Now, I'm not going to tighten it all the way. So I got the Allen key set up with the new bolt. Loctite that up, and right into the light bulb housing unit. Actually, I am, just in case it doesn't grip. Brief test. There's the flashers, make sure. Yep. Good. And just to tie it up nice and neat, we're gonna bring this in right around the fork. And this extra wire right here and on the other side, I'm gonna eventually do a tank lift. So what I'll do is when I unplug the turn signals, I'll run it back and run it behind my brake cable and then behind my clutch. So it just kind of cleans it all up a little bit so this isn't hanging out like that. And then all that will be hidden under the tank. But for the most part, try and keep this wire low profile. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure you click that like button, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for a few more videos. Catch you guys later.